Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by accessing the instrument cluster immediately, remove trim panels and screws, then lift the cluster out gently. Use a trim pry to avoid damage because plastic tabs are fragile. Once freed, unplug connectors slowly while noting their positions. Check the cluster lens and PCB for fasteners. Some have 4/6 screws. Use a multimeter to verify no residual voltage before touching LEDs. This prevents short circuits and protects sensitive circuits, so make sure to disconnect the 12V negative first. Now you change the light source itself. Desolder the old LEDs or remove the backlight film, depending on design. Work under magnification because SMD LEDs are tiny. You need a steady hand and proper soldering iron temperature. Replace with same footprint LEDs and match voltage/current ratings so gauges read correctly. If using color conversion film, cut to fit and reaffix with non-conductive adhesive. Once fitted, reapply a temporary 12V supply to verify color and uniformity before reassembly. Finish by reconnecting the cluster, then reconnect the battery and start the ignition. You should verify dimming behavior, indicator visibility, and warning light colors. Make sure they remain compliant with safety standards. If a gauge is dim or flickering, turn off power and check solder joints and connector pins for cold joints or corrosion. Use a multimeter for continuity and inspect fuses. If color shifts or errors persist, swap back to the original LEDs to isolate the problem before redoing any steps.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.